So many cops. I've never seen this many motorcycle cops in my life. There's at least 15 motorcycle cops going up and down this block. And they're just pulling over everybody. It's kind of messed up. Look, E92. I will not be surprised if I get pulled over today. Look at that. They're just out trying to look for people right now, bro. That's crazy. Damn, dude. All over Sammy's. That F80 is clean, bro. Jeez, and it's R33 behind you. Stupid clean, bro. E92 with BBS's. The amount of people, well, the amount of attention that Sammy's car gets is insane, bro. Like, every single person looks at his car. No matter if you're a car person or not, like, they're gonna look at his car. The sound, the color, like everything, bro. It's crazy. I wanted a Aventador so bad, guys. Must be nice, Sammy. Damn, which one are you guys taking? I don't know, Sammy. I kind of like the color, bro. Woo. Guys, I tried to get Kevin to get that orange GTR. It's factory paint, orange. Imagine Kevin in an orange GTR, since he loves orange so much. Anyways, guys, we made it to this little car meet. It's at Huntington Beach. We just made it. Like I said, there's hella cops outside, so I'm super scared. But at least we made it in here. This is like freaking Paganis, Konisse's, some crazy ass cars. And I think they even have helicopters parked on the beach, which is pretty crazy. Look who I was just talking about. I was like just talking about you.
What's up? That you missed
like
me
in the last clip.
You haven't seen me?
Yes.
What's up?
Why are you here, Kevin?
Oh, I just came to bring my helicopter, my Pagani. You know?
Look at this, guys. There's another one. Another person getting pulled over, a Supra. I bet you he didn't even do nothing, bro. I get it, they're doing their job, but I feel like they're kind of overdoing it right now.
Because there's cars here. They're gonna make money.
Yeah, they're like pulling over every single person, like, for anything. Guys, the first car we see, SV and a Ford GT. I told you there's gonna be some crazy ass cars here. E30? I thought it was an M3, but it just has like a little body kit. It looks pretty sick. Look at these cars, guys. RX-7, super freaking clean. And this thing's fire, bro. Oh my god. Viper, Lotus, all over Sammy.
Oh my god. Straight up driver.
I know, isn't that crazy that there's helicopters? How did they get here, bro?
They flew in.
Aventador. This one's crazy, Sammy. This thing is so sick, guys. Look, all carbon fiber Huracan. Every single panel is carbon fiber on this car. Except for that, he missed the spot. Just kidding. Damn, bro, that's crazy. It's literally all carbon. Wide body kit too. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. No, that's all carbon right there. There's like a sparkles in it. Some diamonds, bro. Carbon fiber wheels. Yeah, that shit's insane, dude. Like, look at how freaking crazy that is, bro. It's really like a piece of art. I knew this was gonna be a cool little vlog. To see some cars like this, you never get to see these cars in person. Only like online, on Google. Yeah, I think this is a McLaren Speedtail. Sheesh. I think like the seat's in the middle of the car. Oh my god, it is. Look at that. Imagine driving that, bro. Just one seat. You literally sit in the middle of the car, guys, and you just drive. It's so weird. Another one. Two matching ones. Bro, look at the wheels, bro. I bet you those wheels cost more than Sammy's car.
No, hell no.
My GTR for sure. Bro, there's so many, dude.
It's Bugatti strong.
How much money do you think is right here?
I don't know, 15 mil?
At least, bro. Holy shit. Look, there's literally Konisse's back to back. And then what is that? Senna? I think there's a Senna over there. I should have brought mine, dude.
I know. I don't mind the bike.
My shit's getting wrapped right now. Look at the LaFerrari. Sheesh. Another Koenigsegg. Oh, that's a Pagani. A Senna, all carbon fiber. Oh my god. I want it. I want one, bro. That shit is... Everything's carbon fiber here or what? Wow, bro. Look at this blue carbon fiber. Guys, I'm scared to even like get close to this car. Oh my god, bro. I'd be so scared to drive it. This Pagani. Centenario. Pagani. Senna.
Oh, another Senna, I'm sorry.
Bro, look at the exhaust on this car. What is this, bro? It's legit a Batmobile, bro. Holy crap, dude.
Apollo IE.
That is insane, bro. I really don't even know what it is, but I don't even know what it is. I don't know how much it costs, but I'm sure it's like $1 million and up. Scenario, again, all carbon fiber. All these cars are all carbon, bro. There's like a big ass boat right here that's probably a couple $1 million too. Yeah, it's that new Lambo that just came out. I don't know what it is called, honestly.
It's a Sion.
Yeah, the Sion. Sheesh. That's crazy. It's like a futuristic like Aventador.
I would definitely not buy it.
No?
No, this is ugly as fuck.
It is a little crazy, bro. I don't really know.
Bro, that does not look good at all.
It looks like a futuristic
I had the same engine as
Aventador.
the fucking Aventador.
Damn. It's pretty sick.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, I don't know. It looks very futuristic. Oh my god. I think that's GC3 RS. SB. Look at the wheels on this thing. What do you think? No?
They're cool, but I can't see the calipers no more.
It's different. Oh, I think that's that UGR one, bro. Guys, this is the twin turbo SVJ. I think it makes like 2,000 horsepower. 2,500? Oh my god. Let's go buy it, Sammy. 2,500 horsepower, bro. Yeah, I think they're signed for 1.8 mil. That's insane, bro.
That's sick, bro.
I like how he took off the SVJ. You can't even... If you know, you know. Look at this, another Centenario. But this one's like modified. It might be like the only modified one. Bro, there's so much money in this parking lot.
I know.
Like, it's actually ridiculous.
I want to go
Oh
home
my
already.
god, bro. Look at this, guys. God damn, bro. It's literally a piece of art, bro. It's too nice. All carbon fiber, everything. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to film. I'm just holding the camera at this point. Because everything I see, I'm just like speechless. BBS is on a P1. Probably the first and only in the world on BBS's. Roadster, all black. And a sick ass Huracan. Is it Performante? It might be. That might be my favorite 720 I've seen. That color with all the carbon, that shit looks hard. A couple $1 billion for sure, bro. There's literally insane amount of cars. Look how all the doors open, the hood, the whole rear end opens up. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Everywhere I go, I just pop the back like that. Everywhere I go. Dude, they're like swarming it. Look at these people. He did it. They are gonna get it, bro. No way.
I'm not going.
The SVJ's done. Damn, they all three went after him. Now we're gonna head to LA. We got a pretty long drive there. We're gonna meet up with Joseph and all the 402 guys because we're going to like a haunted hayride thing. I don't know. I think it'll be pretty cool to film, so I'll probably vlog it. Alright guys, we made it. And I'm so mad because I wore the dunks, bro, and it's all dirt. But look, we made it. I don't know where we're at. It's like a haunted hayride. Oh my god, bro.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Joseph? Joseph Nahas?
Alright, boys, let's
And all the 402 guys, like everyone that works at 402 is here. Why is Joseph so tall, bro? I'm scared, bro. Are you scared?
Man.
I'm scared, bro.
I'll just go in, run it, bro. Run, just run fast. Like one after another, just run.
He's scared, like they're really trying to make her go in the front.
Fucked up.
No, I'm good. I'm in the bag.
You're not last.
Look how scared he is, bro. Joseph looks so big next to him.
I just want to see the hair.
This is what we're getting on, bro?
Are you cool?
We're on a trailer?
VIP exit? Remain standing.
Oh yeah, our shoes are for sure done, guys.
Go to the left, go to the left.
Are we gonna fall off when the shit
My boy
moves?
just riding away.
we're standing.
My boy just riding
There's
away.
no way we're standing. No way we're sitting on the floors, bro.
Nick, that's how you came here?
Yeah. You too.
No.
Oh shit.
On the boat.
A warning is issued to beware of dangerous explosions in our local mines up in the Midnight Falls.
Pretty sick, bro. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Look at this, guys. Oh hell no. Eduardo!
All you sleepyheads, the spirit of Halloween summons you to wake.
What's up, Jordan?
Rise up.
That's your girl, Jordan? Oh hell no! What the fuck? Danger Dad? Fuck no, bro. Peace out, homie. Oh shit! What did you say?
I'm scared of my mom more than this guy right here.
Scared of his mom more than him? He's about to cut his head off? Oh my god, bro. Oh shit! There you go, Jordan. You like that one?
I like this part.
Oh hell no. They're gonna try to leave Eduardo to by himself. Look, he went by himself.
Hey!
Go, Eddie, go, Eddie. Go.
Justin, are you sexy?
Hey, you guys almost the same height, bro. She likes to
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh shit!
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.